Student, today we are going to learn what is arithmetic progression. So first of all, let us take some examples, some numbers I am taking over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. In day-to-day life we come across some patterns. If we talk about pattern in mathematics, we'll talk about the pattern of numbers. So I'm taking the pattern of some numbers. Then we're going to check what type of pattern they are forming. 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. Next I'm taking in -0, -1, -3, -5 and so on. If we see the first pattern, in the first pattern we have the first number 1, then the second number 2, then 3, 4, 5 and 6. So if we observe it carefully, we will find that the second number is formed by adding 1 to the first number. 1 plus 1 give 2. Third number is formed by adding 1 to the second number. 2 plus 1, 3. Fourth number is formed by adding 1 to the third number. 3 plus 1, 4. And 5 is formed by adding 1 to the 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 6 is formed by adding 1. 5 plus 1 equal to 6. So here we are observing that the same numbers are added to form the next number, or we can say for forming the succeeding number, the same number is added to the preceding number. So in all of them 1 is added. In all of them 1 is added. We have observed that in all of them 1 is added. See the next pattern. In the next we have 2, 3, 5, 7, 9 and 10. Here first number is 2, second number is 3. If we form 3 from the first number, we'll observe that if we add 1, 2 plus 1 give 3. So here 1 is added. In the next, if we add 2, then only we'll get the next number 5. So here variation is there. In the next also 5 plus 2 will give 7. In the next 7 plus 2 will give 9. And in the last we have plus 1. So here we are observing the variation plus 1, plus 2, plus 2, plus 2 and plus 1. Now let us come to the third example. Here we have 2, the next number 4, 6 and 8. So if we add 2 into we'll get 4. In the next if we add 2 we get 6. In the next if we add 2 we get 8. So here we are observing that the same number is added, that is plus 2. Come to the last pattern. In the last pattern we have the first number 0, the second number -1, -3 and -5. So if we add -1 in the first number we'll get -1. For forming the third number, if we add -2 to -1, this will give -3. Here again -2 is added to form -5. So here also variation is there, -1, -2, -2. So out of these examples, this one, second, third and fourth, we have taken the 4 patterns, and out of 4 patterns we have observed that in 2 patterns, that is in the first and in the third, we are observing that same numbers are added in the preceding number to form the succeeding number. So such type of pattern will be called as arithmetic progression. So we can define arithmetic progression as, we can say, it is a series of number. We have a series of number or sequence, series or sequence, we can say anything. It is a series of numbers in which the terms, all these will be called as term. First term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term and sixth term. The terms is obtained by adding a fixed number. This is a fixed number to the preceding term except the first term. Except the first term means in the first term, to obtain the first term we don't have to add, because before the first term we don't have any preceding term, so we cannot add any number. So except the first term, in the next succeeding, to obtain the next succeeding term we have to add a fixed number to the preceding term. So such type of series of numbers are called as arithmetic progression, and this fixed number which is added is called as common difference. This fixed number is called as common difference. So we can also define arithmetic progression as it is a series of numbers in which the common difference between the two succeeding term is same. So we can say it is a series of number in which the difference common I have written, so in which the difference between the two succeeding term is same or common. So we can also define the AP like this. Thank you.